Hello guys, good morning. So by the way guys, I would like to share ideas and tips na pagkaroon sa inyo ano. So dugay-dugay ko lang kabalik ko video, but for now, I would share the 3 ideas or tips on why you should invest your money. Okay? So by the way guys, I would like to share lang about saving and investing is a different thing, no? So by the way guys, if you want to invest, first is nasa jud kay savings habit or saving habit. So before you invest, dapat kabalo jud ka mag-save. So dapat ang saving manggod is to kanang mag-save ka na kay discipline na kabalo ka mag-save og money for your short term or for your mga emergency funds or mga short term na goals. So if ever na kay mga long term na goals, so it's lisod siya kung mag-save lang ka. So karon akong i-share ang tulo ka reason why you should invest your money. Okay. So number 1 guys is you need to invest. It is because to beat the inflation or inflation rate. So nabay ta idea na. Okay. So inflation rate guys is mao na siya kana pag yung inflation is mao na siya for example ang value or ang pamaliton or value sa services mga butang na to 10 years or 15 to 20 years from now is mahal na siya. So every month magud naga-move atong inflation. So average inflation rate sa Pilipinas is maabot siya og every year is 5%. So if ever naga-save ka below 5% per annum, so pasabot naga-depreciate or gamay og value imong money. So mas better you need to invest your money. So para mabit nimo inflation. Bisan pag okay imong income, naga-save ka, but you need to make a way na mo-grow imong money. You need to have you work money for you, dili lang ikaw go work para sa money. Okay? So number 2 you need to have you need to invest. It's because to have a comfortable lifestyle in your retirement. To have your comfortable life in your retirement years. By the way guys, if ever we don't invest right now, possible ibig bisag dako kag sweldo karon or income, it doesn't matter. Kay ngano ang matter is imong future. What if after 20 years from now, 30 years from now, wala kay igo na income na mo sustain sa imong lifestyle, kung sa imong naanda na lifestyle o sa imong family lifestyle, kung wala gyud ka nag-invest og klaro og nag-diversify sa imong investments and money, pasabot maglisod jud kag live ana. So di ba, number 3 na reason is to reach your financial goals in life. So in order na ma-achieve na to, daghang kitag plano, di ba, magkasakyanan, magkabalay or something unsa tong mga future na plan. Lisod siya guys if we don't wala tay strategy to reach that. So one of the strategy is investing. So meaning you need to invest gyud to para ma-achieve or ma-reach nimo imong financial goals. So by the way guys, that's the 3 lang daghan pag rason nganong we need to invest. So by the way, first is I would like to review to beat the inflation. Number 2 is to have a comfortable lifestyle in your retirement. Number 3 is to reach your financial goals in life. So kana guys, kana tanan ng mga kanang tulo lang mo na ako ma-share karon So hopefully na amoy nasabtan and kana na rason mo na makapahatag sa tuwa nga dapat gyud if ever nag-save ta, napud tay gina-invest na money. Para dili lang ikaw nga sige work para sa money, para pud ang money mag-work para sa imo. Wala ga matter nga kugiha, it doesn't matter nga grabe ka kagkugihan karon, mao na magsalba sa imo sa future. Dapat kung kugihan ka karon, tagaan nimo justice imong self na after pila ka years mag-work gyapon na imong money nga imong gihaguan karon. So by the way guys, for more info and details on how to invest your money, please DM or PM me sa kung kuan page Juan Tipid and my personal FB account So that's all guys, and see you soon and God bless. That's all. Bye-bye.